Best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protectors. Android Central, 2021. There's no denying the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is one of the best foldable phones available right now. The futuristic clamshell packs a lot of improvements over its predecessor from 2020. These include a more prominent external display, water resistance, and, more importantly, a gorgeous foldable OLED panel that comes pre-installed with a harder screen protector. That said, you can never be too careful with a device this fragile and expensive, so here are some of the best Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 screen protectors you can get for your swanky new foldable, fully covered, or zero Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 screen protector 3-pack. Staff pick. Orzero's soft TPU screen protectors guard the inside, outside, and even the hinge of your Galaxy Z Flip 3 from damage. These are made with an ultra-thin material for that barely there feel and also have hydrophobic and oleophobic coatings that reduce smudges and fingerprints. Case-friendly protection. LK Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protector 3-pack. Featuring extra space around their borders, LK's TPU screen protectors are compatible with most if not all of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases. They're self-healing. Technology automatically repairs minor scratches and bubbles that may surface over time, that too within just 24 hours. $12 at Amazon. The power to heal. YWXTW Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protector 8-pack. These crystal clear protection films from YWXTW are made from a self-healing material that ensures any dings your Galaxy Z Flip 3 might get will eventually go away, returning that pristine look. And with a total of 8 sets in the box, you'll have plenty of backups should something happen during the installation. $12 at Amazon. All-around protection. Iron Morgan Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protector 2-pack. If you want complete protection for the entirety of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3's exterior, that too without using a case, these sets from Iron Morgan are your best bet. Each pack consists of protective films for the phone's screen, back panels, and hinge. $12 at Amazon. Smudge and scratches be gone. Whitestone Dome Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protector 1-pack. This EPU screen protector from Whitestone offers edge-to-edge protection for your Galaxy Z Flip 3 and is a lot more resistant to fingerprints and smudges than conventional TPU screen protectors. The single pack also comes with 3 films that cover the entire back panel of the phone. No more glare. Skinomi Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 Matte Screen Protector 2-pack. Made in the US, Skinomi's matte screen protector for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 not only reduces glare and thus eye strain, but also does an excellent job of repelling fingerprints and smudges. It's made from a durable elastic polymer that features self-healing properties. $12 at Amazon. Premium protection. ZAGG InvisibleShield Ultra Clear with D3O Screen Protector. This expensive but highly durable screen protector from ZAGG is designed for the Z Flip 3's tiny cover display. You get an easy-to-apply, scratch-resistant protector made of premium materials and self-healing nanotechnology. No surface uncovered. Corefyco Direct Galaxy Z Flip 3 Screen Protector. Keep every angle heavily guarded with this set of 5 screen protectors. You get flexible TPU film to cover every inch of your stylish Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. There's a sliver of film to cover the hinge too, which is very reassuring. $14 at Amazon. Bare Essentials. Supershieldz Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G Screen Protector 2-pack. If you're a bold person and don't find much use in slapping protective layers all over your Galaxy Z Flip 3, stick with the basics. The Supershieldz screen protector only covers the most essential part of your phone, the inner folding OLED screen. It's a seasoned brand and one that you can trust. Keep that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 screen clean. Foldable phones are getting better with each generation, but as we all know, glass is still fragile. Since the outside and inside of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is all glass, getting an extra layer of protection to keep it free from damage is a great idea. Our top vote goes to Orzero's premium glass screen protector, which also has protective films for the phone's back panels and hinge. Even if you decide to pick up one of the best Galaxy Z Flip 3 cases for your phone and don't really care about external protective films, a third-party screen protector is still advised for the phone's primary foldable OLED panel. In that case, we suggest Skinomi's fantastic matte screen protector, which minimizes glare and prevents fingerprints as well. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Protector display. These are the best Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 screen protectors. If you're looking for protection for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, we've got all the best screen protector options for you. Safe in the clear. Safeguard your investment with these Galaxy S9 screen protectors. It's a sad sight to see a cracked screen on any phone, but on a high-end device you're looking at a bill of several $100s to get it fixed. Keep your Galaxy S9 safe with a quality screen protector. You'll flip for these cases. These are the best cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 smartphone. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is here in more colors than you could imagine. You should show off and protect those colors with a quality case. These are the best cases from Samsung, begone, Incipio, and beyond.